When you put your back foot on the bench. Right. Now I want you to take your right leg forward. Take your right leg forward. Just a little bit. Just not too much. Not too much. Now I want you to put your hands together like this for the balance and lean your torso forward. Even more. Now you're going to get, well, that's too much. Right there. Right there. Now you're going to slowly drop down into a lunge. Very slow. And then I want you to slowly come on up. So it's got to be a very controlled pace. And on the way up, I don't want you to lock your knees. Okay? I just want you to keep your knee. We're going to do 20. Now try to go lower as you feel comfortable. You see what I mean?
Okay.
Perfect. 20 reps. Yeah. There you go. And then just advance on the range of motion, like gradually learn how to go down lower, try to engage the muscle more. A little bit lower. Take your time.
18.
Good. Which muscle group did you feel? Glute.
All the same.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember the setup, right? So hands together for balance. Lean the torso forward a tiny bit more. Right there. Ready? Drop. Slow. 20. Here we go. Perfect. And then gradually test your range out as you feel. Way better. Perfect. Hips back a tiny bit because your knee's starting to shift over. Good. Good. Your objective with your training is to build muscle tone, get stronger, be more stable, and work those muscle fibers. So basically what the muscle needs is really activation, stimulation. In other words, you got to actually feel that muscle, which is why a lot of people, when they do single leg squats without the weight, if their technique is great, they'll feel the glute muscle and the hamstring muscle because they want to activate and tone and stimulate that, like put that sensation there. But the moment they start picking up 10-pound dumbbells or 15-pound dumbbells, they're more busy in their mind and body with lifting the weight while doing their exercise rather than actually stimulating or activating the muscle and tendon, right?
Okay.
The only people I've seen who can actually use weights in addition to actually still keeping that muscle isolation and activation in that particular muscle and still continue to grow those muscle fibers and tone them up even harder are ones that are so experienced with practicing this technique, this philosophy while lifting weights. Because they're literally that strong. That's how it is.
Okay.
So that's why you never want to get into a mindset of I'm here to lift weights. You're in the mindset of I want to work the muscle. So this is a tech.
Okay, got it. Understood.
Okay.
Okay.
And you want to keep anywhere, but you did last set, you did 20 reps. You want to keep anywhere between 15 and 20 with these 5-pound dumbbells.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, you kind of want to watch your speed too. You know, you don't want to go anything too fast.
Woo. Okay.
Okay, tell me whether you were lifting weights or activating those muscles and feeling those muscles.
Definitely activating them.
Perfect. And those are 5-pounders, right?
Yep.
Yeah, you can see if as people start lifting heavier, the problems occur, right? Because you're not well trained for it. So congratulations, you're a muscle activator.